Welcome to Topper Choice channel. MS Excel 20 plus MCQ.
Number 1. What is the basic file of MS Excel? Correct answer, option D, workbook. 2. Which component of MS Excel displays the address of the active cell? Correct answer, option B, name box. 3. What is a workbook? Correct answer, option A, collection of worksheets. 4. What is the extension of an MS Excel file? Correct answer, option C, XLS. 5. What is the worksheet which is currently in use called? Correct answer, option B, active worksheet. Identify the keyboard shortcut to navigate between different worksheets. Correct answer, option B, Control PG up. 7. What is the smallest unit of worksheet in Excel? Correct answer, option C, 8. Which of the following components displays the contents of active cell? Correct answer, option B, formula bar. Nine. Another name for a pre-programmed formula in Excel is? Correct answer, option C, function. 10. Which of the following Excel charts represents only one value for each variable? Correct answer, option B, pie charts. 11. Getting data from a cell located in a different sheet is called? Correct answer, option B, referencing. 12. Which of the following is a popular DOS-based spreadsheet package? Correct answer, option D, Lotus 123. 13. When integrating Word and Excel, Word is usually the? Correct answer, option B, client. 14. Red triangle at the top right corner of a cell indicates? Correct answer, option B. There is a comment associated with the cell. 15. VLOOKUP stands for an MS Excel. Correct answer, option A, vertical lookup. (16) In MS Excel, the keyboard shortcut for creating a chart from the selected cells. Correct answer, option D, F11. 17. Workbook can be closed using keyboard shortcut. Correct answer, option B, Control W. 18. In MS Excel, keyboard shortcut keys to create a new workbook is? Correct answer, option D, Control N. 19. You can convert existing Excel worksheet data and charts to an HTML document by using? Correct answer, option B, Internet Assistant Wizard. 20. Open workbooks can easily be switched using? Correct answer, option D, Control Tab. 21. VLOOKUP function used to? Correct answer, option A, finds related records. 22. It appear at the bottom of the Excel window. Correct answer, option C, worksheet tabs. 23. Comments put in cells are called? Correct answer, option B, cell tip. What is the intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet called? Correct answer, option A, cell.